Hello, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOC Town Express. And today I wanted to share with you my planner setup for the studio. I decided on a garden theme for the design as well as the theme of what I'm going to be doing in setting up, the back wall as well as organizing the two shelves that I'm going to be using to produce the video blogs on the Express channel. So I know everyone's been talking about a no spin, but this year I'm going to be doing sort of kind of a 90-day tracking of not only my financials but my time schedule as well. So I decided to go ahead and use my 2017 Inkwell Press planner and go through it and pretty much just white out the date and create an undated insert, so then I will have, 12 weeks worth of just time I can use to set up my schedule, use it as a journal, as well as a tracking device so I can keep up with my social media planning. So, what I encourage you to do is choose your own workflow and plan. If you want to follow along with this plan with me, it's more like a pre plan of what I'm sharing with you, some of the things that I do in order to set up for my consultations in the studio. If I'm choreographing, if I'm designing, or best of all, if I'm writing, my script or part of my journal that I'm going to be releasing later this year. So what you're seeing now are some of the things that I pulled together, which is the Purposeful Planner pad and some of the Erin Condren stickers to color code as well as remind me some of the things that are going to be going on in the studio. So as you know, pretty much I do paper planning. So what I'm going to be doing in the month of February along with my daily journal are schedules and stamping. So I'm going to show you a lot of what I do step by step. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I always stress selecting a color theme or a design before you get started, physically decorating your space or even planning for a special event. So for 2018, I chose the colors green as well as purple. And to bring the two colors together will be this gold, conveniently on a washi tape. So you can't see it from this angle, but it has a garden design on the tape is what I really, really, really like about it. So for me, even though purple is not my favorite color and neither is green, but pretty much my people that I'm decorating for, those are their favorite color. So not only is this a reminder that this project is not solely about me and my choices alone, but they're about the group that I'm going to be serving for 2018 season. And the next thing I want to cover is journal prompts. I released, I think, a list back in 2014, if not 2015. I'll go ahead and link it down below. Is if I haven't found it by the time you see in this video, trust me, just remind me. I'll look for it, continue looking for it again as I do my digital inventory. And pretty much what they're meant to do is for you to set aside at least 15 to an hour worth of time, block it out without anyone pulling at your strings for attention. And they're to give you ideas on how to set up your space, what to think through. So pretty much what you're doing is setting time aside so that when the actual time to go, which we all know can be flooded with a lot of different challenges, you're pretty much set in your mind on what the end game or the final picture you would like to look at or look alike. Clients, meetings with their friends, meetings with, different segments of what this project is going to entail. I decided to do a staycation and stamp doing it, calling it Stamping Staycation. So I'm going to be starting on Thursdays, and then Friday, Saturday, and more than likely on Sunday, I'll do a video blog. And it's pretty much to highlight the conversations that I've had throughout the week. And not only that, to give you my personal thoughts on what I think as a artisan admin in the retreat center. Okay, next, I think I have I've done video blogs on this before, but this is the case that I carry around with me. I'm not going to go through it right now, but these are the Project Life cards I'm going to use for 12 takeaways. So if you're interested in seeing more, be sure to subscribe. And definitely, this is my speckled fawn with chic sparrow inserts that I'm going to be categorizing for 2018 to give you the 1-minute journal prompts that you can use, and also some templates that you might be interested in setting up in your micro TN. Oh man, this is going to be a great year. So if you're interested in this creative content that I'm producing on this channel, be sure to like, comment, and share. And be sure to click the notification button, and I'll be sure to notify you when upcoming workshops are here. Take care.